So picture this. You're out there on the job site nailing another top-notch project. Your client's thrilled, shaking your hands, singing your praises. You're damn good at what you do, and you know it. But tonight, you'll climb into your truck, drive home, and lie awake staring at the ceiling, gut churning, wondering, where the hell is my next job coming from? Sound familiar? Well, there's a silent killer stalking your home service business. It doesn't matter what you do. It's not your skills. It's not your pricing. It's a cash-draining, dream-crushing monster that's costing you millions in revenue over your career. And it's not going away unless you act. What is it? Marketing, or your lack thereof. Think about it. You've poured cash into half-baked Facebook ads that got you nothing but likes from your mom. You've begged for referrals only to get ghosted. Maybe you even shelled out for a shiny website that's collecting digital cobwebs. Meanwhile, your competition's phone is ringing off the hook with high-paying clients who should be yours. Every day you let this slide, you're not just losing jobs, you're losing your shot at a bigger crew, a fatter bank account, and the freedom to live your life on your terms. But here's the good news. Today I'm pulling back the curtain. I'm Jonathan from Cottermedia.online, and I'm going to show you exactly how this marketing mistake is bleeding your business dry and the dead simple system we use to fix it. That's helping contractors just like you pack their schedules with quality, ready to pay clients without wasting another dime on ads that don't work. You'll see how we build lead grabbing funnels, automate follow-ups, and turn missed calls into booked jobs, all while you focus on what you do best. So if you're a home service contractor who delivers killer work but struggles to keep your pipeline full, this could be the most critical video you watch all year. Stick with me and I'll hand you the blueprint to stop scrambling and start dominating your market. But first, smash that like button and hit that subscribe so you don't miss a single tip to grow your business. So let's jump in. So let me tell you about Jake, a roofer out of Orange County. Jake's a 15-year veteran, top of his game. Last summer, a condo complex needed a $140,000 roof replacement. Jake could have crushed it, but the client never called. Why? They Googled roofer near me and Jake's competitor popped up first. Sharp website, instant booking, 5-star reviews stacked high. Jake buried on page 3. Invisible. That $140,000 job gone. Now let's crunch the numbers. One missed job like that a year over 10 years, that's $1.4 million in revenue you'll never touch. Add in the smaller $5,000, $10,000 gigs, you're losing monthly, and it's a financial bloodbath. You're probably thinking, my work speaks for itself. I don't need fancy marketing. Wrong. Quality work doesn't mean squat if nobody can find you. You could be the best contractor in town, but if homeowners are hiring the guy with the better website, you're just a guy with a truck and an empty schedule. This isn't about pride, it's about survival. Every day you ignore this, your competition's cashing checks that could be yours. Stick with me because I'm about to show you what's going wrong and how the smartest contractors are fighting back. But first, smash that like button, hit that subscribe so you don't miss a single tip to save your business. So why are you missing jobs? It's simple. You're invisible where it matters most. A 2023 study by Bright Local found 87% of homeowners search online for contractors. Google, Facebook, even Siri. If you're not showing up there, you don't exist. And it's not just about being seen, it's about sealing the deal. Your competitors are using systems to make this happen. They've got websites that hit the top of Google with big call now buttons. They've got automated texts and emails that chase leads so they don't have to. Missed a call, their system follows up in seconds, booking the job while you're still checking voicemail and reviews. They're racking up 5 stars, making clients trust them over you. So let me tell you about Rich. He's an HVAC tech out in Hemet, California. Rich is a pro. But last year, he lost a $75,000 contract for a new apartment complex. Why? The client found his competitor on Instagram, polished ads, customer testimonials, and an easy booking link. Rich had no online presence, just a basic website nobody visited. That loss hurt, but it woke him up. He learned his competitors weren't better, they just had better marketing. The same study showed businesses with strong online systems get 3 times more leads than those without. That's not luck. That's strategy. Right now, you're not losing because of skill. You're losing because you played the wrong game. Well, the worst part, most contractors don't even try to fix this. They throw cash at cheap ads, beg for referrals, or hope their buddy's kid can do some social media. That's not marketing. That's a gamble, and you're betting your livelihood on it. So how do you stop losing and start winning? You need a real marketing system built for contractors. First, you need a website that's a lead magnet, not a digital tombstone. It's got to grab homeowners, show you're legit, and make booking dead simple. Second, you need follow-ups that don't quit. A 2024 HubSpot report said 80% of leads need multiple contacts before they book. Smart contractors use automated texts, emails, even voicemails to stay in their face. Third, you need reviews. Lots of them. Reviews are trust in today's world. Bright Local says 79% of customers trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations. And fourth, you need to track everything. Every lead, every call, every dollar, so you know what's working and what's burning your cash. Now here's where it gets exciting. The latest game changer is voice AI. Imagine a 24/7 virtual assistant answering every call to your business, even at 2 a.m. This isn't a clunky voicemail. It's a smart bot that talks like a human, answers questions, and books estimates on the spot. Homeowners call with a leaky pipe, the bot schedules their appointment before they hang up. Missed a call? It texts them to lock in a time. The 2023 Cal Rail study found businesses using AI call handling convert 40% more leads than those relying on voicemail. This is how you beat the competition without lifting a finger. You don't need to be a tech genius to pull this off. The smartest contractors are using all-in-one systems, lead capture, follow-ups, booking, reviews, even voice AI while they're out swinging a hammer. I know a plumber who tripled his calls in 90 days just by adding automated follow-ups. An electrician landed a $200,000 contract because his website and reviews outshined the other guy. This isn't magic, it's what works. So before we wrap up, let's bust some myths holding you back. Myth number 1, marketing is too expensive. Wrong. Bad marketing is expensive. Good marketing pays for itself. A 2024 Statista report says businesses with strong marketing systems see a 5 times return on every dollar spent. Myth 2, I'm too busy to deal with marketing. That's like saying you're too busy to answer the phone. The right system runs itself, freeing you to focus on jobs. Myth number 3, my town's too small for this stuff. Nonsense. Small towns are gold mines. Fewer competitors, tighter trust, online systems let you market no matter the size. And myth number 4, I'll figure it out later. Every day you wait, you're losing jobs. That $140,000 contract Jake missed, his competitor's not giving it back. These myths keep contractors stuck, scraping by, praying for referrals. The winners, they're using systems to get found, book jobs, and build trust, while their competitors still handing out flyers. So here's the truth. Your business is leaking cash because of bad marketing, but you can plug the hole. You don't need to keep losing jobs to the contractor down the street who got it right. You need a system that puts you in front of clients, books the work, and builds your rep. The website, follow-ups, reviews, voice AI, the works. Ignore this and you're not just losing revenue, you're losing the freedom to grow your crew, take a vacation, or sleep without stressing about the next job. So if you want to make this happen, I'm John with Cotter Digital, and we help contractors like you build marketing systems that actually work. Book a free demo with us to see how we'll get your phone ringing with high-paying clients. Go to Cotterdigital.com, but don't wait. I don't really take on a lot of clients, and your competition's already moving. Also, smash that like button, hit subscribe, click the links below, and take control. Your business and your future can't afford another day of silence.